Want to keep students motivated, engaged, and collaborating? Let's explore a simple yet powerful strategy: team points. Team points encourages positive behaviors, teamwork, and academic success, all while creating an exciting classroom environment. Why use team points? The team point strategy is designed to encourage teamwork and collaboration. It reinforces positive behaviors and participation, helping students with accountability and engagement in the classroom. This makes learning fun and more interactive for all students. Team points provides instant feedback to students and encourages students to take ownership of their learning. Setting up team points. Step 1. Organize students into teams. Divide students into smaller groups or teams, usually 3 to 4 students per group. These teams will work together throughout the unit of study, lesson, or activity. Every student's participation contributes to the team's success. Step 2. Establish clear expectations. Before introducing team points, set clear expectations and goals for earning the points. If a T-graph for social skills has already been established in the classroom, team points can be a way to directly celebrate and positively reinforce those behaviors and actions demonstrated by the students. This helps bridge expectations with real-time feedback, making the learning environment more structured and supportive for all students. Step 3. Assign and track points. Use a visual tracking system, such as a chart, whiteboard, or digital display, to keep students motivated. Keep the system consistent and transparent so students understand how team points are earned throughout the unit of study. This encourages metacognition and helps students reflect on their own behaviors, decisions, and contributions to teamwork. The focus should always be on why students have earned those team points versus the team points themselves. Step 4. Reward and celebrate progress. Team points works best when students can see their progress and feel motivated to work together toward a common goal. Some ways to celebrate progress include verbal praise, class incentives such as extra reading time, or end-of-week recognition, where the winning team earns a special role or privilege. Some teachers like to have a trophy at the winning team's desk for the week as a fun way to highlight their success. The real goal of team points is to foster intrinsic motivation by reinforcing collaboration, accountability, and effort. This creates a positive and engaging learning environment for all students. Step 5. Gradual release of responsibility. After modeling how to record team points, assign a student scorekeeper to take on this responsibility. This shift allows students to manage the process themselves and actively observe and recognize positive behaviors amongst their peers. By incorporating peer-to-peer recognition, students become more invested in supporting one another and reinforcing positive interactions. This not only builds classroom accountability, but it also builds a collaborative and encouraging learning environment where students take ownership over their behavior and teamwork. Now let's take a look at team points in action and see how to hire a scorekeeper to empower students in managing the process. I am going to hire a student to be a scorekeeper, and I will explain what a scorekeeper will do. This is such a hard job. Caleb, will you be my scorekeeper? Come on up. Caleb, I'm gonna hand you a marker, and what I want you to do is your job as a scorekeeper is to look for teams. So go ahead and look at the teams right now, and you are gonna look for teams who are showing teamwork. So I want you to right now look for a team who is making eye contact with the speaker, which is a teacher right now. Which team do you see right now making eye contact with the speaker? And they're smiling. And we have the teams labeled. This is red team, orange, green, blue, magenta, light green, light blue. Which team do you see?
Magenta.
Magenta. Magenta. And prove it. What did they do on our T-graph?
They're smiling and they're not, and they're looking at it like carefully.
Are they making eye contact with the speaker?
Yeah.
Awesome, come touch it. And let's read it together. Making eye contact with the speaker. And you also said smiling, Caleb, right? Is that on our T-graph so far? Do we see that?
Yeah.
I don't see it on here. So Caleb, please add that to the chart. You can add it in a different color. Here you go. And we're gonna write smiling right over here. Everyone say that with me. Smiling. Is that a good way to show teamwork? So let's look at magenta team smile. They have earned, magenta team has earned 1 team point. What other teams do you notice? Wow, look at green team. Everyone is sitting on their bottom. Green team has earned a team point.
And every team has earned a team point, Caleb, for making eye contact, sitting on their bottom. Amazing. And Caleb, I want you to stay here, okay? Because you're my scorekeeper. So you are gonna continue to look for students who are showing teamwork, okay?
The team point strategy is a simple and effective way to encourage collaboration, participation, and positive behavior in the classroom. When students work together toward a shared goal, they take ownership over their learning and support one another in the process. In the next video, we'll dive into how to conduct a team evaluation using the T-graph to further enhance student reflection and accountability. For more Be Glad strategies, check out our complete online training course. This will help you gain a deeper insight into our effective classroom strategies and techniques to help support students in engagement, collaboration, and language development.